Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can build medic station in Escape from Duckovz. So what you'll need to do is basically go right here in the bunker and find this build option, and then what you'll need to have is 2 piles of medicine, 1 syringe and 1 IV medicine, and then you'll basically will be able to build. But as you can see, I need 200 coins, so what I'm going to do is basically sell some items that I collected during my expedition. So let's say I want to sell this one, a wrench, because I have 2 of them, and as you can see I have now 200 coins, and basically now I'm able to build this medic station. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.